Unzeenu is an innovative social media platform that has transformed the way users connect. Using this communication platform, you can send messages to any Unzeenu user using our state-of-the-art message tagging technology and without showing your personal details. Download and install Unzeenu App on your mobile phone. The app is available on both App Store and Google Play Store. Create your account by uploading your profile picture and entering basic information. A confirmation email will be sent to your email ID you used to create your Unzeenu account. After verification of your email, you can now start using the app. Once you are logged in, complete your profile information. This is a very important step, as this information will be used by other Unzeenu verified users to send you messages. In the Feeds area, you'll be able to see the messages tagged by other Unzeenu users using specific tags that are matching your information. To read the message, click on Read More tab. You can reply to the message by clicking on Reply button. You can also add the person to your favorites list, or can block or report the person if you want to. Click on the notifications icon on the top right corner to see instant notifications. You can also filter the message using the Filter option. Unzeenu App Advanced Search feature allows you to search the messages by event or place, name, date, time, vehicle number, or even using a magic word. Instant Connect tab shows you all Unzeenu users in the nearby area you can interact with. You can also set the range from 10 meters up to 400 kilometers. Just select one or multiple users, type your message, upload image or video if you want, and click Send. It's that simple! Using Vehicle Connect feature, you can send your message by scanning the vehicle number of intended recipient or by typing it in manually. Dashboard panel allows you to edit your profile information anytime you want. Check the messages you have sent to other Unzeenu users. If you don't want the other member to see your message anymore, you can simply swipe and the message will be deleted from the system. Check notifications. Check blocked users. Check your favorite messages. User settings and privacy tab. You can change your privacy settings. You can even toggle on or off the matching fields. Unzeenu is the ultimate way of networking with others. Download Unzeenu App today. It's the best way to interact and an ultimate way to expand your own personal bubble.